In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect DeepSeek to N8N. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is go to N8N, and in here you want to click Add First Step inside your project, or of course you can do whatever you want. You may already have a project, you just want to add a step in there. In here it says Search Nodes. You want to look for DeepSeek, and there we go, we're going to see DeepSeek Chat Model. Simply click on DeepSeek Chat Model, and then over here you can select a model. As you can see, right now only the DeepSeek Chat is available, but of course it says credential to connect with. You want to click over here, and then you want to click on Create New Credential. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to ask you for an API key, and the way you can get it is by going to deepseek.com, and then you can switch it to English, of course. So if that shows up, click English, top right, and then you want to click on API platform. On here, once this loads, it may ask you to basically just re-sign in. When you do that, you'll see this page, and then go to API keys here on the left, and then click on Create New API Key, and simply name it. We're going to name it as Test right now, Create API Key. After you do this, you will see your API key, click on Copy, and after you click on Copy, go back to N8N, paste in the API key over here, and click on Save. And as you can see, it says credential successfully created in test project. You can now close this down, and as you can see, we've now successfully connected N8N with DeepSeek. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.